Namaste all. This is the auspicious month of Ashara. In Tamil Nadu, it is called as Adi, and in Kerala, it is called as Karkadaga. So, all over the country, this month is auspicious and celebrated in different manner. In Tamil Nadu, this month is dedicated for Devi and Devi pujas like that. Kerala, this month is dedicated for Ramayana reading and other special pujas. So in this video, I am going to explain the speciality of this month in Kerala. And two specialities about this month is the Ramayana reading and the Aushadha Kanji, a porridge made up of herbal and natural ingredients which helps to fight the disease. We can see this custom all over the Kerala where the people reads Ramayana with a great respect and devotion. Apart from this Ramayana reading, there is another specialty for this month called as Nahalambara Darshanam or four temple pilgrimage, which means to visit the four temples of the Ramayana brothers called Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana and Shatrugna. There are four set of such Nalambala temples in Kerala. The first set is in Thrissur, Ernakulam. Second set is in Ernakulam, Kottayam. Third in Kottayam, and another set in Malappuram. So Kerala is considered it is very auspicious to visit the temples during this month. Even though there are 4 to 5 sets of such temples in Kerala, I am going to describe one such set of temples called Tripprayar, Kudalmanikam, Tirumozhikulam, and Payamai. There is a wide belief that one has to cover all these four temples in a single day, if possible by noon itself. So before starting, let me tell you I'm not going to explain the directions and distance to these temples. All those things will be given in the description box. Now we shall start from the first temple, which is called the Tripuraya Rama temple. There is a belief that all these four idols were worshipped by Krishna during his period in Dwaraka, and when the Dwaraka was swallowed by sea, all these idols disappeared, and it was later found in Kerala to some fishermen. And at the same time, there was a dream to one of the devotee called Kaimal, in which he saw the idols. He ran to the seashore where he found the fisherman and got these idols. And as per the instruction in the dream, he installed all these four idols in different temples. So the first temple is called the Tripuraya. It is on the bank of river Tibra, and also this river is called Prayar. So that's why this place is called Tiruprayar. That means the sacred river. And the main deity of this temple is four-handed Rama with a conch, bow, and garland in his hands. Temple is in Thrissur district in the route from Kodungalur to Guruvayur. Aratupuzha festival is one of the most famous festival regarding this temple. Second temple in this set is Bharada's temple Kudalmanikam, which is in the Irinjalakuda. And here you can see Bharada as Sangameshwara and in a tapasri form who is waiting for his brother Rama, who has gone for exile in the forest. And the speciality of this temple is this is one of the rarest temple where you cannot see any Upadevdas. There is only one deity in the temple, and that is Bharata Swami only. And also you cannot see a frog or a water snake in the temple pond. You can see only the fishes. There are special offerings called lotus garland. You are offering a lotus garland to Bharata Swami, you will not be affected by severe rain or something. Other offerings are like a brinjal for Bharata Swami and feeding the fishes in the temple pond. And apart from these things, there is another speciality like you cannot see camphor or agarbattis in this temple. And Bharata Swami is famous for curing the illness and diseases. Several offerings are given to Bharata Swami to cure different types of diseases. And those who are not having children visit this temple and offer payasam. Different, there are two types of payasam, one for getting a male child and another for female child. It is a belief that pleased by the devotion, Bharadaswami blesses the couple with child. Next is Lakshmana Swami temple, which is in the Ernakulam district. Lakshmana Swami is regarded as the incarnation of Ananta, the serpent of Lord Mahavishnu, and this temple is situated in a place called Tirumozhikulam. And this is the only temple in these four temples which is regarded as one of the Divya Deshams of the Vaishnava tradition. And next is the Payamal temple, and is the last temple in this four temple pilgrimage set. And this temple is dedicated to Shatrughna, who is the last brother of Lord Sri Rama. So people coming for this four temple pilgrimage will complete their pilgrimage here. Shatrughna is regarded as the reincarnation of the Sudarshana Chakra in the Lord Mahavishnu's hand, and main offering of this temple to Shatrughna, the deity, is the Sudarshana Pushpanjali and Sudarshana Chakra. Shatrughna Swami's temple is the smallest temple of all these four set, and Swami's idol is the smallest idol among all these four idols which were recovered by the fishermen. And another speciality of this temple is all other sanctum is circular in shape. I mean, whether it is Tripurayar, Kudaimanikam, and Tirumozhikulam are circular in shape, but here you can see a rectangular shape. There are other offerings also for the prosperity, wealth, and health of the devotee. With this, the devotee will complete the four temple pilgrimage and get the blessings of the Lord Rama and brothers. So as mentioned earlier, please check my description box for the distance and detailed route to all these four temples. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos.